I'm Osiris and I like Yahoo.
I am Lord Somerton Java.
Edwin John.
My name is Kian Alfredo.
Questions will be recorded, and these questions are about your lifestyle lang naman po. If you found out you're sick, what is the first thing you would do?
Siguro magpapahinga na ng higa ng tulog. Or inom din ng gamot.
Sleep. Take medicine, stay healthy, rest.
I will search what it is based on my symptoms, and I will see what I can do about it.
Next question is, do you skip meal often or do you eat completely like 3 times a day?
I eat 3 times a day, pero not on the right time. So many times na nag-skip ako ng meals because of work or because of time, ganyan. So hindi naman very often, pero there are times that I skip meals.
Paano po kayo mag-get back on track po to eat 3 times a day?
Ang ginagawa ko, siguro yung next meal ko kasi, doon ako babawi.
Para lalagyan?
Oo, ito na lang. Dadamihan ko na lang yung serving ng food ko din sa next meal.
Ako naman, I usually stick with this. Kasi ako bawal ako tumabay dahil may training ako sa isang store. And para pag binabago ko siya, usually pag nakukuha yung breakfast ko.
Do you have a time limit for when you use maybe your laptop, your cell phones, anything that requires the internet? I go for like 1 to 2 hours, and then after that, do sports or do anything else like my homework or etc. What are the things that you do so that you don't need to use your devices?
Oh, I focus on something else, like practicing hobbies, like playing guitar, crochet. One of the things that I mostly like to do without gadgets.
So, choice to practice. Ibalabas.
So, wala po talagang limit na po sa school.
Actually, ako may limit. Hanggang, nililimit ko siya once 10 p.m. Pinatanggal ko yun. So, may time ako parepahinga yung rice. Lalo na kasi wala akong na rin.
For my screen time, usually I take around 1 to 2 hours per study session because I use my technologies for studying. And for alternatives, I usually do other activities such as playing with my siblings and bringing my dog.
As a teacher po, siyempre po you have an amount of workload po talaga. Do you still have time to get regular checkups?
Unless needed, kaya emergency. Pero yung parang daily check-up, weekly check-up, monthly check-up, hindi na siya nagkakaroon.
Okay po. Thank you po for
Thank
your time.
you.